Now in question number 3 it says, suppose a function is defined by fx equals 1 if x is equal to 1 and then e to the power x to the power 10 minus 1 plus x minus 1 square sine 1 upon x minus 1 if x is unequal to 1. We need to find the value of f dash 1. Now first we'll check its continuity at x equal to 1. So value at 1 is 1. If we'll put left hand limit or right hand limit, it will be e to the power 0 which is 1. And then it is 0 into sine infinite which again is 0. So this function is continuous at x equal to 1. Now we'll find its derivative at 1. Now f dash 1 will be equal to its right hand derivative which is f dash 1 positive. So we'll write it as limit h tends to 0 f 1 plus h minus f1 upon h. Now this value will be limit h tends to 0. Now what is f1 plus h? f1 plus h will be e to the power 1 plus h to the power 10 minus 1 plus h square sine 1 upon h, then minus f1. f1 is 1 upon h. Now we'll split this limit in two parts. We'll write limit h tends to 0 e to the power 1 plus h to the power 10 minus 1 upon h and plus limit h tends to 0 h sine 1 upon h. Now the second limit, it is of the form 0 into sine infinite, and sine infinite is oscillating value from minus 1 to 1. So 0 into anything finite is 0. So value of this second limit is 0. Now this first limit is 0 upon 0 form. So we'll use L'Hopital's rule. So we'll differentiate. We'll write limit h tends to 0. Now this is e to the power 1 plus h to the power 10 minus 1 into 10 1 plus h to the power 9 upon 1. Now we'll put h as 0. Then we'll get e to the power 0 which is 1. So this value is equal to 10. Now in this problem, I should also work out its left hand derivative. So if I'll find f dash 1 negative, I'll take f1 minus h upon minus h. This part will again be 0. Here I'll have minus h and minus h. So minus and minus again it will cancel. So again I'll end up getting this value 10. So I won't solve this left hand derivative part. So value of f dash 1 is 10. Now we need to solve this limit, which is limit u tends to infinite 100u minus u, this summation k varies from 1 to 100 f 1 plus k upon u. So we can write this as limit u tends to infinite, and then it will be 100 minus this summation k varies from 1 to 100 f 1 plus k upon u upon 1 upon u. Now we'll put u as infinite. It will be f1 and f1 is 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 100 times. So it will be 0, and then 1 upon infinite is also 0. So it is 0 upon 0 form. And if it is 0 upon 0 form, again we can use L'Hopital's rule. Alright, limit u tends to infinite. Now this is 0 minus, and then this summation k varies from 1 to infinite f dash 1 plus k upon u into now derivative of k upon u. So it will be minus k upon u square divided by minus 1 upon u square. Now 1 upon u square and 1 upon u square will cancel. F dash 1, value of f dash 1 is 10. So we'll get this limit as limit u tends to infinite minus 10, and then this summation k varies from 1 to 100 into k. So it will simply be minus 10 and then n plus 1 upon 2. So this value will be minus 50500.